For most men, motivation doesn't disappear overnight. It fades, slowly, almost invisibly. One day you wake up and realize the excitement you once felt is gone. The ambition is gone. The energy is gone. The drive that carried you through your 20s, 30s, and 40s feels like distant memory. And many men assume there's only one explanation: age. They tell themselves, I'm getting older. This is just what happens. My best years are behind me. But what if that's not true? What if the problem isn't your age? What if the problem is that you've lost sight of why you're moving forward? Most men spend decades chasing responsibilities, building careers, paying mortgages, raising children, meeting expectations. For years, life gives them a clear mission. Then one day something changes. The children grow up, the career stabilizes, the financial pressure eases, the goals that once drove them are no longer enough. And without realizing it, they begin living on autopilot. Not because they're lazy, because they no longer have a compelling future pulling them forward. Motivation is often misunderstood. People think motivation creates action. In reality, purpose creates motivation. When you have a reason to wake up, energy follows. When you have something meaningful to build, progress becomes easier. When you have a vision for your future, discipline feels less like work. The opposite is also true. Without purpose, even simple tasks feel heavy. Without direction, every day starts to look the same. Without growth, life becomes repetitive. And repetition slowly drains enthusiasm. This is why some men become more energized at 60 than they were at 40. Not because they discovered a secret supplement, not because they suddenly became younger, because they found a new mission, a new challenge, a new dream, a new reason to grow. The solution is not to wait for motivation to return. The solution is to create something worth being motivated about. Start a project, learn a skill, build a business, improve your health, mentor someone. Create something with your hands. Strengthen your relationships. Give yourself a future that excites you, because motivation is rarely found. It's generated by movement, generated by growth, generated by purpose. The men who stay alive inside never stop creating. They never stop learning. They never stop becoming. If you've lost your motivation, don't ask, what's wrong with me? Ask, what am I moving toward? Because the moment you find a meaningful answer, motivation often returns. Not all at once, but one step at a time. Remember, a man without a future vision will eventually lose his drive. A man with a mission becomes difficult to stop. Be the creator of dreams.